All right, so let's open this up. This is my very first iPhone unboxing. I wanted to share with you guys. I could have just, not done that, but I wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, you can tell I am an amateur when it comes to opening these things. So I didn't order these directly from Apple. I ordered this directly from my service provider, which is Verizon. Okay, so just some paperwork in here. So one of the big issues everyone was having was the fact that of course, you see it's a much thinner box than normal, much thinner. I wish I had the other box here to compare so you guys can see it, but as you can, it's very obvious how much thinner this box is. Just paperwork from Verizon. So here we are. One of the things that I really love about Apple is that they make packaging so easy to open. I've had a couple packages recently this week, and just trying to get into the package was so challenging. So it's sort of refreshing to open this and know that this is going to be very easy unboxing to do with you guys. So let's do this. So as you can see, I know you guys love the sound of this. Look how easy this is. Look how easy this is. It just falls away. It just falls away. Okay, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the boxes are very different in comparison to the other phones. The iPhone 12 Mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max came out, or pre-orders were available last Friday. So they're all officially available. All the entire lineup of the 12 is available now. So this is, I saw the gold for the 12 Pro Max, and I was like, oh my God, did I get the wrong one? So let's see, this is gonna be a real reaction of me opening this specific blue, because I wanted a different color. I didn't really want to get the gold. I love the 10 gold that they had, but they Apple plays with these colors. All right, so we're gonna open this. Oh, wow. So, okay, like I said, it's not the green. It's not the green, but this is a really nice blue, and it's not far from it. Look at that. And look at the new shape of the iPhone. This new shape is, they said it can pretty much stand up on its own now. Are they lying? Oh, well, this thing's on the bottom, so. Okay, let's focus. We can play around later. So as you can see, this is a Pro, so you're going to have, it's heavy. It's a pretty heavy phone. It also feels different holding it in your hand as comparison to my other phone. I probably should have had that nearby to kind of compare for you. Matter of fact, so this is the 11 Pro Max. So you can see the edges are very different. This is rounded. You can definitely, even the weight, this is a little heavier. It feels a little heavy. Not dramatically different. You can't really tell the difference in that, but definitely the edges. These edges actually feel a little bit more premium, but as you can see, my fingerprints are getting on these edges, but I think the majority of us put a cover on our new cell phones. I was so upset when they said that they were going to change the shape of the phone, because I was like, oh, so I can't use these cases anymore. Whatever. Bought a new case, and I'll show you that in a second. But the big issue this year that everyone's been talking about is that they're only putting the wire in here. So it's Lightning to USB-C and no charger cable. But like I said, I have last year's model, and that came with, the charging mechanisms and things like that. So I know a lot of people are very upset about that, but what can you do? Buy a charging brick. I still bought another charging brick because I wanted faster charging. I know people are upset about that, but if you're the type of person that doesn't upgrade every year, then you probably haven't bought a brick in a long time. So buy the brick. Sorry. Okay, let's look. I need to focus. As I said, this is my first time. Hold on, let me. You hear that? Look at that. Now, I really do kind of wish that they. Let me clean this up for you guys. I do kind of wish that they did make the notch smaller, because that would have been at least another upgrade that people would have loved and appreciated. As you can see, I have a cover on this case. I will miss the screen though. I will miss the screen, but I'll get over it. As you can see, the difference in the cameras. The cameras are a lot bigger, and the box there that they created is a lot bigger. And I've realized that the box was bigger because I got the case first for this phone, and was like, wow, it's actually a lot bigger. I didn't realize how much bigger this space got. The amount of time that you will have for active use on this phone is a little bit less than the 11 Pro Max. But I'm guessing because of all of the upgrades and things like that and battery size, you've had to sort of suffer in regards to less power availability. Not sure. I mean, I think a lot of us carry around extra charging mechanisms, so we never really run out. At least I don't. But I'm impressed. I do like this. I will set this up. This isn't a review. This is just an unboxing. As I said to you before, I'm not an expert in iPhones. I just know what I like. I know I wanted a Pro, and I know I wanted a big screen, and I know that I wanted something that I can use, for content like here and other places that I create content. So I'm excited. I mean, it feels good. It looks good. It definitely feels premium in comparison to, the other models for the 12. I'm excited about it. I want to hear what you guys think. Let's talk about it in the comments.